ये वादियाँ, ये बादल, ये खुनक खुनक हवाएं, झुकी झुकी घटाएं।
बढ़िया नीला आसमान और उसके नीचे ये जो रंग भरे जा रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है ये दिवाली के बाद होली वाले रंग आ गए हैं एकदम से नवंबर के महीने में।
Not all literary festivals are so fortunate as to be surrounded by beautiful mountains.
I think it's great. It's perfect because it's so beautiful. And when we landed and the drive from the airport, just the green, you know, when you step out of Mumbai where all we see our buildings and people, just to see those trees. It's just lovely. So nice.
It's important for Dehradun as a city, which has been known for natural beauty and, you know, really lychees also.
And stick jaws. Are stick jaws still available? Yep. Okay, lovely. Good to know that some things haven't changed. Yeah.
तो मैं mesmerize हो गया सिटी से, बहुत सुंदर शहर है यार.
It's always a pleasure to come to this land of learning and a land of intellectuals.
I feel that this whole city is involved in this one festival. It's like, it makes it very special.
देहरादून लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल.
See, आपको दुनिया के जिस कोने में जाके ऐसा लगे कि आप घर आए हो ना, वो खास हो ही जाता है. तो यहाँ लगता है कि घर आया.
I've never left. I was born in this city, so I've just come back.
किसे दिन डांग खड़केगी, किसे दिन खून डुलेगा, जो लाउंदे ओ बुझाउंदे ओ कदे इधर कदे उधर कदे इधर कदे उधर.
The people define the festival. It's not, the event doesn't, you know. So it's the community that you're able to build.
I think the beauty of a Lit Fest is that you meet so many minds of different kinds and different people with different point of view, and we happily sometimes agree to disagree, and we sometimes agree, and it's amazing.
And because of their love for literature, and because they want to bring to Dehradun the best of the people that there are in the country today, and I appreciate that very deeply, and I think the least we can do is support that.
Like film festivals, lit festivals help to bring people together. And I think what the world needs more than ever is for people to come together.
It cuts across age groups, and that's what I like about the Dehradun Literature Festival.
I was in Kuwait yesterday, and they had wanted me to stay for a couple of days beyond that celebration. But when I heard that there is this festival and I got the invite, I said, there is no way that I'm going to miss it.
Of all my book launches I did, Dehradun is always my top one city to come to. And this is my second year and the city never fails to impress me.
I enjoyed it. I think it was vibrant. I think it was emotional. I think it was a great representation of my book because there was so much support and love, and there was so much courage on that dais. All the women with me were all the women who have got me to this book.
Her book moved me, Untamed, moved me very, very greatly.
But I'm really, really very pleasantly surprised that the sessions that I've heard, I've seen, have been very, very good.
Session yesterday again on period costumes was so interesting. It was exactly an amalgamation of all the three things that you said.
Sahitya is very important for Samaj, and Samaj influences cinema. Whichever way you look at it, it's like a figure of 8, you know.
Even though it says literature, but it still has a variety of art and artists.
It's such a beautiful confluence and just creating beautiful relationships.
I mean, conventional wisdom is that cops and literature or cops and culture are sort of, you know, opposed to each other.
The idea is, let's have a conversation that is challenging, and let's have a conversation that actually brings fresh ideas forward. You know, that's the excitement.
इतनी कहानियां हैं इस देश में, भरी पड़ी हैं, और ऐसा कोई देश है नहीं जो इतनी कहानियों से भरा पड़ा है.
So inspiring, so motivating, and I'm going back with
so much in my heart.
I think I will be returning next year too.
But there were so many people, which was so exciting that there were people who stayed and we talked for, I think, almost an hour, and you know, everybody was there and there were so many questions people wanted to ask that
I enjoyed every bit of it. मतलब ये कि गुफ्तगू से लेकर और पब्लिक के इन्वॉल्वमेंट तक हर चीज़ काबिल-ए-दाद.
And it was so heartwarming to sort of sit there and, I don't know, just very, very warm and welcoming of new ideas. That was fantastic to see.
The attention was, razor sharp. People were genuinely hungry for information. And as soon as the session got over, everybody picked up a copy of the book on their own. So this audience here is already rich and cultured, mentally, intellectually, emotionally far more stable. And here they're constantly looking at how they can improve themselves with every conversation they have with someone or every seminar or webinar they attend.
मेरी ऑडियंस इतनी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल में आ रही है, यंग लोग आ रहे हैं और जेनजीज आ रहे हैं, तो दैट वाज अ वेरी शॉकिंग थिंग फॉर मी, बिकॉज जनरली मैं जब लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल्स में जाता हूँ तो उम्र दराज लोग आते हैं या दो लोग समझते हैं लिटरेचर को या बड़े हो चुके हैं, लेकिन जेनजीज जब आएंगे वो लिटरेचर को पढ़ेंगे, हमारे इंडियन लिटरेचर को पढ़ना चालू करेंगे तो और मज़ा आएगा. तो जेनजीज आए, वो आप लोगों ने जैसे भी किया है, दैट्स लाइक credit to you guys.
It was like a conversation. It was wonderful. Their participation, the energy, the vibe was absolutely fantastic. I couldn't have had a better launch. I'm really glad I chose. See the energy. There's still so much noise. That's okay. It's all right.
kudos to Mr. Samrant Vidwani, who is the creative head behind this. They've been doing the festival for quite some time, and I'm so glad that it's become of A-grade national festival with its programming, hospitality, and of course interest in the books in place.
बहुत सी जगहों पर जाना होता है, नो डाउट, बड़े बड़े इंतजामात भी होते हैं. देहरादून लिटरेरी फेस्टिवल की एक अपना किरदार है, एक अपना कैरेक्टर है, जिसके लिए मैं बतौर ख़ास बधाई देता हूँ सारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को.
All that we see is the full show, right? But what makes the show is what counts, and I think that is 24 karat gold with DLF.
And I just hope in the years to come, the Literature Festival of Dehradun grows from strength to strength. And one fine day, Jaipur looks like a poor cousin of Dehradun.
Some part of it will resonate with everybody. So I think it's a wonderful, you put it together quite well.
And I'm so glad that my first experience was here.
A festival that honors authors and honors publishers, editors, and its readers is a national treasure.
Dehradun Lit Fest has a huge way to go, and it'll really rock.
Really more power to the young people for putting it together.
See you, bye, thank you.
चिड़ियां सी कुछ बैठियां, चिड़ियां सी कुछ बैठियां टेलीफोन दी तार ते. चिड़ियां सी कुछ बैठियां टेलीफोन दी तार ते. चुंज चर्चा सी चल रही बदल रहे संसार ते. चिड़ियां सी कुछ बैठियां टेलीफोन दी तार ते. चुंज चर्चा सी चल रही बदल रहे संसार ते. एक उडारी बाद जद चिड़ियां हो, एक उडारी बाद जद चिड़ियां मुड़ के परतियां. एक उडारी बाद जद चिड़ियां.
Hi, I'm Jyotika Bedi.
I'm Sandeep Bedi.
And we are here at the
Dehradun
Literature Festival.
Thank you, Dehradun Literature Festival.
Dehradun Literature Festival.
Dehradun Literature Festival.
Wow.